Welcome to Fix Your Apps, and in today's video we are showing you how to send a GIF in Messenger, a simple feature that can make your chats more fun and expressive. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Pick up your phone and open the Messenger app, making sure you are logged into your account. It is important to use the latest version of the app because updates often fix bugs and improve the GIF search feature. Step 2. Within the main menu, look toward the bottom and tap on the Chats tab, which shows all your conversations. From here, you can open any person's chat where you want to send a GIF, and this section keeps every message organized. Opening the right chat ensures the GIF is sent to the exact person you intend. Step 3. After entering the chat, look at the bottom of the message box where the icons are displayed and find the simple emoji icon. This icon opens a panel that includes stickers, emojis, and GIF tools. It is important because it gives you access to all expressive options in one place. Step 4. Once the panel opens, choose the GIF option that appears at the bottom or inside the category row. Here you will see a list of available GIFs that Messenger recommends based on trends and popular reactions. You can tap any GIF and it will automatically send to the chat without needing any extra confirmation. Step 5. If you want to send a GIF that you personally downloaded, you can tap the gallery icon at the bottom of the screen. This lets you browse your saved files, select the GIF you want, and send it instantly. This method is useful when you prefer a specific or custom GIF that is not found in the default library. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.